Good morning, dear class 1 students. My name is Miss Jemima and I am going to teach you English. Alright? So, first of all, in the last class we had done this lesson, what's that noise, isn't it? And in the last lesson we did about, we had gone about with the new words and also the meaning of the new words and making sentences, isn't it? So today we are going to revise whatever we have done in the last class, okay? And I want all of you to pay full attention, alright? It's going to be very interesting, okay? So the first new word in this lesson is tweet, isn't it? T-W-E-E-D, tweet. What do you mean by tweet? Okay, first of all, let's spell it out, okay? T-W-E-E-D, tweet. Again, alright? Close your eyes. Yes, okay. T-W-E-E-D, tweet. Open your eyes. Very good. What do you mean by tweet? Tweet is the sound which birds used to make. Okay? Tweet, tweet. Isn't it? Yes. Tweet, 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 says the bird. Now we make a sentence. Tweet, tweet, says the bird. Who else would try and make a sentence out of it? Okay. Very good. Alright. Now the next word is bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Let's all spell it together. B-A-R-K. Bark. Close your eyes. Yes. B-A-R-K. Bark. Now what do you mean by bark? Dogs used to bark by saying woof, woof. Isn't it? Dogs used to bark, okay. Woof, woof. Now who would try and make a sentence? Okay, alright. Very good. Now the next word is monkey. You all know monkey, isn't it? Can you tell me the spelling? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Yes. Again, let's spell it again. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now, who would make a sentence out of monkey? The monkey climbs up the tree. Okay. Who would like to try and make a sentence? Very good. Okay. I will come back to you one by one. Okay. And we will all make sentence. Each of us. All of us. Alright. And the next word. The next word. You know this word? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Again, let's spell it. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Okay. The sheep is grazing in the field. Alright. If we make a sentence, the sheep is grazing in the field. Now, who would try and make a sentence? Okay. Very good. Alright. And the next word. Fast asleep. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. Fast asleep. What do you mean by fast asleep? Fast asleep means when you fall asleep very quickly. Okay. When you are very sleepy and then you go off to sleep straight away. Okay, that's fast asleep. Now let's spell it together again. F-A-S-T. Fast. A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. I was very tired, so I was fast asleep in the evening. Okay. And the next word. Snore. S-N-O-R-E. Snore. What do you mean by snore? Snore is when you sleep, okay, and you make such sound like that. Okay, you make a snoring sound when you're asleep. Okay. Yes. All right. Let's spell it together again. S S-N-O-R-E. Snore. Okay. Who would try and make a sentence out of snore? I used to snore when I am asleep. Okay, I used to snore when I am asleep. Alright? Yes, and now the last word. Okay, snore is the last word. Okay. So, the purpose of this, of learning these new words and making sentences out of it, and knowing the meaning and making sentences out of it, these are what we do, the things that we first do before going on in detail to the lesson. Okay, to acquaint ourselves with the new words, the meanings, and making sentences out of it. All these are the first steps that we do before starting the lesson. Okay, now we are going to go into the lesson in detail. Alright, now I will read it and I want all of you to look at me carefully and properly, and all of you please close your books and focus your attention to me. Okay, yes. What's that noise? Alright, what's the name of the lesson? What's that noise? Tweet, tweet. Who is tweeting? It is not the fish. It is the bird. Now what have we discussed before? Tweet, tweet. The sound which birds used to make, isn't it? Yes. So who is tweeting now? Is the fish or the bird tweeting? The bird, isn't it? Very good. Tweet, tweet. Who is tweeting? It is not the fish. It is the bird. Yes. Woof, woof. Who is barking? It is not the monkey. It is the dog. Now, woof, woof. The barking sound of a dog, isn't it? Yes. Now, who is barking? The monkey or the dog? The dog. Very good. Woof, woof. Who is barking? It is not the monkey. It is the dog. Baa. That is a very loud baa. Is it the cow? No, it is the sheep. Now, what sound does the sheep make? Baa, isn't it? Yes. Does the cow baa? No, the cow used to moo, isn't it? So the sheep makes a sound baa, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Zzz. Now, what's that noise? Is it the bird? Is it the dog? Is it the sheep? No, it is father. He is fast asleep. He is snoring. The father is snoring. He is fast asleep. Okay, the father is very tired, so he is fast asleep and he is snoring and he is making the zzz sound. Okay, yes. Alright, so who is asleep? Is the monkey asleep or is the dog asleep? No, isn't it? Now who is asleep? Father. Yes, very good. Father is asleep and he is snoring, isn't it? Okay, now again, let's revise it again. Tweet, tweet says the bird or the fish. The bird. Very good. Woof, woof says the cow or the dog. The dog. Good. Very good. Baa says the monkey or sheep. The monkey or the sheep? The sheep. Yes. Okay. Now, students, that is with our lesson. And I want all of you to read your lesson very properly at home. Okay? So you will read your lesson. You will point it with your fingers carefully. And you will read it at home. And you may also do the question and answers like how we have discussed here in class. Okay? Thank you.